Hello, everyone. Welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael. I am very happy to see you today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for studying English with us.
Today, we have a very important topic for students. Today, we will talk about homework.
Yes, almost every student has homework. Homework is work we do after school.
We do homework at home. We do homework in the library. Sometimes, we do homework with friends.
Some people like homework. Some people do not like homework. But homework helps us learn more.
Today, we will learn easy English words to talk about homework. We will learn how to say what we are studying. We will also learn how to talk about deadlines and grades.
Don't worry. We will speak slowly. We will use easy sentences so you can understand everything.
Let's begin. School is a place where we learn many things. But learning does not stop when the bell rings.
That is true. Teachers give us tasks to do at home. These tasks are called assignments.
Yes, an assignment is a piece of work. It can be a short task or a long project.
We also have different subjects in school. Subjects are things like math, science, and history.
Every subject has its own homework. Sometimes we have a lot of homework to do.
When we have a lot of homework, we feel busy. We need to manage our time.
We will learn words like deadline, essay, and revision. These words are very common in school and university.
Deadline means the time when you must finish your work. Essay is a long piece of writing.
Revision is when you study something again to remember it.
Now, let's listen to a conversation.
John and Charlotte are students. They are talking about their homework for the week. Hi, Charlotte. Are you busy?
Hi, John. Yes, I am doing my homework.
Oh, me too. I have a big assignment.
What subject is it for?
It is for science. It is very difficult.
I like science. Do you have to write an essay?
Yes, I have to write 3 pages.
When is the deadline?
The deadline is Friday.
That is soon. Did you finish your research?
No, I am still reading the textbook.
I can help you with revision later.
Thank you, Charlotte. I want to get a good grade.
You will. Just keep working.
I also have math homework.
Is it hard?
No, it is easy, but it takes a long time.
I finished my math homework yesterday.
You are very fast, Charlotte.
I like to finish my work early.
That is a good habit. I usually wait until the last minute.
You should start now, then you can relax on the weekend.
You are right. I will open my book now.
Good luck, John.
Thanks, Charlotte. That was the end of the first conversation. John and Charlotte talked about many things related to school.
Yes, they talked about science and math.
These are common subjects. John feels a bit stressed because his assignment is difficult.
That is normal. Many students feel that way when they have a big essay to write.
Talking about homework is a great way to practice English. You can ask your classmates, "Did you do the homework?"
Or you can ask, when is the assignment due?
In the conversation, John mentioned he has a deadline. A deadline is very important in the world of study and work.
John also talked about his textbook. A textbook is a special book for a school subject.
Charlotte offered to help with revision. Revision is very helpful before an exam.
They also talked about grades. A grade is a letter or number that shows how well you did.
Everyone wants a good grade.
Now we will learn some important words about homework.
We will explain them slowly.
Please listen carefully. You can repeat the words after us.
Learning new words is like doing homework. If you practice, you will get better.
Yes, step by step you will become a great English speaker.
Let's start with our first word. Assignment. Assignment.
Assignment means a task or piece of work given to a student.
Example 1.
I have a history assignment to finish today.
Example 2.
The teacher gave us a fun assignment about animals.
Example 3.
Please submit your assignment by Monday.
Assignments can be small or big.
At university, assignments are usually very long.
You can say, "I am working on my assignment."
It is a very useful word for students.
You can also have assignments at work.
But usually we use this word for school.
Now, let's learn our next word. Subject. Subject.
Subject means an area of knowledge studied in school.
Example 1.
My favorite subject is English.
Example 2.
Math is a difficult subject for many people.
Example 3.
How many subjects are you studying this year?
Some subjects are easy and some are hard.
Science is a subject about the world and nature.
History is a subject about the past.
Geography is a subject about countries and maps.
When you meet a new student, you can ask, "What is your favorite subject?"
This is a great way to make a new friend.
Now, let's learn the next word. Deadline, deadline.
Deadline means the time or date by which something must be finished.
Example 1.
The deadline for the project is tomorrow.
Example 2.
I missed the deadline because I was sick.
Example 3.
We need to work fast to meet the deadline.
Deadlines help us finish our work on time.
If there is no deadline, people might never finish.
Sometimes a deadline makes people feel nervous.
But it is important to be organized.
You can ask your teacher, what is the deadline for this homework?
Now we will listen to the conversation again.
This time, we will go very slowly.
Please listen to every word. Pay attention to the pronunciation of the homework words.
You will hear John and Charlotte talking again. They are still talking about their schoolwork.
Ready?
Let's listen.
Hi, Charlotte. Are you busy?
Hi, John. Yes, I am doing my homework.
Oh, me too. I have a big assignment.
What subject is it for?
It is for science. It is very difficult.
I like science. Do you have to write an essay?
Yes, I have to write 3 pages.
When is the deadline?
The deadline is Friday.
That is soon. Did you finish your research?
No, I am still reading the textbook.
I can help you with revision later.
Thank you, Charlotte. I want to get a good grade.
You will. Just keep working.
I also have math homework.
Is it hard?
No, it is easy, but it takes a long time.
I finished my math homework yesterday.
You are very fast, Charlotte.
I like to finish my work early.
That is a good habit. I usually wait until the last minute.
You should start now, then you can relax on the weekend.
You are right. I will open my book now.
Good luck, John.
Thanks, Charlotte.
Good job listening.
That was the slow version of the conversation.
Listening slowly is very good for your brain.
It helps you hear the small sounds in English.
You can repeat this part of the video if you want.
Repetition is how we learn.
Now, let's learn more words about homework.
Essay, essay.
Essay means a short piece of writing on a particular subject.
Example 1.
I am writing an essay about my family.
Example 2.
The teacher asked for a 2-page essay.
Example 3.
Writing an essay takes a lot of time.
Essays are common in English class.
You have to think and write your ideas,
Some students find essays very difficult.
but they are good for practicing your writing.
You can say, I have to hand in my essay tomorrow.
Now, let's learn the next word.
Research, research.
Research means studying something to find new information.
Example 1.
I am doing research for my science project.
Example 2.
You can find a lot of research on the internet.
Example 3.
Good research is important for a good grade.
Before you write an essay, you must do research.
You can do research in books or online.
Research helps you learn the facts.
If you do good research, your work will be better.
John was doing research for his science assignment.
Now, let's learn another word.
Textbook, textbook.
Textbook means a book that contains information about a subject of study.
Example 1.
Open your textbook to page 10.
Example 2.
I forgot my math textbook at school.
Example 3.
This textbook has many useful pictures.
Textbooks are usually heavy.
Yes, students carry many textbooks in their bags.
Textbooks have many exercises for students to practice.
You should read your textbook to understand the lesson.
Now, let's listen to the conversation for the last time. This time, we will listen at natural speed. This is how English speakers talk every day.
Don't worry if it feels fast. You already know the words.
Listen to the flow of the conversation. Hi, Charlotte. Are you busy?
Hi, John. Yes, I am doing my homework.
Oh, me too. I have a big assignment.
What subject is it for?
It is for science. It is very difficult.
I like science. Do you have to write an essay?
Yes, I have to write 3 pages.
When is the deadline?
The deadline is Friday.
That is soon. Did you finish your research?
No, I am still reading the textbook.
I can help you with revision later.
Thank you, Charlotte. I want to get a good grade.
You will. Just keep working.
I also have math homework.
Is it hard?
No, it is easy, but it takes a long time.
I finished my math homework yesterday.
You are very fast, Charlotte.
I like to finish my work early.
That is a good habit. I usually wait until the last minute.
You should start now, then you can relax on the weekend.
You are right. I will open my book now.
Good luck, John.
Thanks, Charlotte.
Well done.
That was the natural speed conversation.
You are doing a great job today.
Talking about school and homework is not always easy.
But you are learning the vocabulary very well.
We have a few more words to learn.
Let's look at them now.
Revision. Revision.
Revision means the process of studying information again for an exam.
Example 1.
I am doing revision for my English test.
Example 2.
Revision is the best way to remember things.
Example 3.
We should start our revision 2 weeks before the exam.
Revision is very important.
If you do not do revision, you might forget what you learned.
Many students do revision together in a group.
Revision helps you feel confident.
You can say, I have a lot of revision to do tonight.
Now let's learn our next word.
A grade. Grade.
Grade means a mark given in an exam or for a piece of work.
Example 1.
I got a good grade on my math test.
Example 2.
She works hard to get high grades.
Example 3.
What grade did you get for your essay?
Grades show how much you learned.
In some countries, grades are numbers like 10 or 100.
In other countries, grades are letters like A, B, or C.
A is usually a very good grade.
John wants to get a good grade on his science project.
Now let's learn our last word for today.
Difficult. Difficult.
Difficult means not easy, needing much effort or skill.
Example 1.
This homework is very difficult.
Example 2.
English can be difficult, but keep trying.
Example 3.
It is difficult to study when it is noisy.
Many things are difficult when we first start.
But with practice, they become easy.
John said his science assignment was difficult.
But Charlotte said she could help him.
Asking for help makes difficult things easier.
Now let's review everything.
You learned many new words today. Now it is time to see if you remember them.
Review is just like revision.
We will say the word and the meaning.
Please listen and repeat.
Assignment.
A task given to a student. For example, I finished my geography assignment.
Subject.
An area of study like math or science. For example, science is my favorite subject.
Deadline.
The time when work must be finished. For example, the deadline is at 5 o'clock.
Essay.
A long piece of writing. For example, I wrote an essay about the environment.
Research.
Finding information in books or online. For example, I did research for my project.
Textbook.
A book used for study. For example, my history textbook is on the table.
Revision.
Studying again to remember. For example, I am doing revision for the exam.
Grade.
A mark for your work. For example, he got an A grade in English.
Difficult.
Not easy. Hard. For example, this math problem is difficult.
Excellent work today. You studied very hard.
Now it is time for a real story.
Elizabeth, did you like doing homework when you were a student?
Oh, that is a good question. When I was in primary school, I liked homework. I liked to use my colorful pens.
What about high school?
In high school, it was more difficult. I had a lot of subjects. I had math, history, science, and French.
Which subject had the most homework?
History had the most homework. I had to write a long essay every week. And the deadlines were always on Friday.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, sometimes I felt tired. But I did a lot of research. I went to the library every Tuesday. I liked to read the textbooks.
Did you get good grades?
Yes, I worked very hard. My parents were very happy when I got a good grade. I felt very proud of myself.
I was different. I did not like homework very much. I liked to play football with my friends.
Did you do your revision?
I did my revision at the last minute. The night before the test, I stayed up very late. It was very difficult for me.
Did you have a favorite subject?
I liked geography. I liked learning about different countries. The geography assignments were interesting.
Homework is different for everyone.
But it is a big part of life for many people.
Now you can talk about your schoolwork in English.
Practice telling your friends about your assignments.
Tell them about your favorite subject.
And tell them if the work is easy or difficult. Elizabeth, before we go, let's talk more about how to be a good student.
That is a wonderful idea, Michael. Being a good student means more than just doing homework.
I agree. You need to be organized.
Organization is very important. You should have a calendar for your deadlines.
Yes, if you write down your deadlines, you will not forget them.
And you should have a quiet place to study.
My house was always noisy.
That makes research very difficult.
I had to go to the park to read my textbooks.
The park is a nice place to study, but only when the weather is good.
That is true. If it rains, the textbook gets wet.
Oh no, a wet textbook is not good.
No, it is not.
Let's think of some more words for our students.
How about the word project?
Yes, a project is like a big assignment.
Sometimes we do projects in a group.
Group projects are fun because you can talk to your friends.
But sometimes they are difficult because everyone has different ideas.
Let's explain the word project using our steps.
Project.
Project means a piece of planned work or an activity that is finished over a period of time.
Example 1.
We are working on a group project about the ocean.
Example 2.
My science project is almost finished.
Example 3.
I need to buy some paper for my school project.
Projects usually take more time than normal homework.
Yes, you might work on a project for a whole month.
You need to do a lot of research for a project.
And you might need to make a poster or a presentation.
Presentation. That is another good word.
Let's teach that one too.
Presentation.
Presentation means a talk giving information about something to a group of people.
Example 1.
I have to give a presentation in my English class.
Example 2.
Her presentation was very interesting and clear.
Example 3.
I am nervous about my presentation tomorrow.
Many students feel nervous before a presentation.
Yes, speaking in front of the class is scary.
But it is a great way to practice your English speaking.
If you practice your presentation at home, you will feel better.
I used to practice my presentations in front of a mirror.
That is a very good tip, Michael.
We also have the word tutor.
A tutor is a teacher who helps one student or a small group.
If a subject is too difficult, you can ask a tutor for help. Tutor?
Tutor means a teacher who teaches a small group of students or a single student.
Example 1.
My math tutor helps me every Tuesday.
Example 2.
We need a tutor to help us with our English.
Example 3.
The tutor explained the lesson very well.
Tutors are very helpful for revision.
They can help you prepare for an exam.
If you don't understand your textbook, a tutor can explain it.
Tutors make learning more personal.
Okay, Elizabeth. We have talked a lot today.
Yes, we have shared a lot of information.
I hope our students feel confident about their homework now.
Remember, students, don't wait until the last minute.
Start your assignments early.
And always do your revision.
It is the only way to get a good grade.
We are very happy you studied with us today.
English is a subject that needs a lot of practice.
Think of this video as your English homework.
Yes, if you watch this video, you are doing your homework.
And that is a very good thing.
You did a great job today.
Thank you for studying with us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
We have many more lessons for you.
Keep practicing every day.
See you next time at World English Studio.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.